How do you know if your advertising is working or not? By installing the Adline tracking code, you'll be able to 1. Immediately start measuring conversions, 2. Analyzing the behavior on your website, and 3. Feeding the algorithm with big data to improve your advertising. First of all, Adline is powered by a set of algorithms that we have called Elena. When using Adline for the very first time, Adline needs to know what the ultimate advertising goal is. Is it a form completion or an inquiry? Is it a click on a button on your website or a click on the email? Once you have defined your goals, you have told Elena what to optimize the ads for. And in the campaign report, you'll be able to see how much it is costing you to generate these conversions. This metric is called CPA, or cost per action. Cost per action is a fundamental metric in advertising that tells you whether or not the advertising is profitable or not. CPA is calculated using the following formula: total ad spend divided by total attributable conversions. So now you know a little bit about why you need to install the code and what actions you should select and why it is important. But how do you do this? It's easy. 1. Go to Manage Events. 2. Add new events. 3. Select your 3 most important actions. You can now head over to the dashboard report and see an overview of all the actions you have selected. After a couple of days of running your campaign, you will start to see how much it is costing you to generate these conversions. That is how easy it is to track conversions in Adline.